Hey, welcome guys, video service information here. Today we're looking at a 2016 Dodge Ram. It's got the 5.7 in it. Vehicle's got around 91,000 miles on it. The customer was stating that the check engine light was on and they had codes pulled prior and it come up to be a cylinder misfire on 5s. We scanned the vehicle and we did come up with a P0305 cylinder 5 misfire. So we started doing more further investigation on it. Check, the simple stuff first. Check spark plugs, swapped coils. Didn't seem to fix the issue. Did a leak down test on it. Confirmed that cylinder 5 had 60% leak down. So then we hooked up the borescope. You can see the images here. Do definitely recommend getting a borescope to make your life easier than having to pull a whole motor apart to see what's going on the inside. Then we noticed on cylinder 5 the valve seat is deteriorated. You can see in the photo here how it gets some metal coming off the seat, kind of delaminating in that area. So that's where our leak occurred when we did the leak down test. Bleeding past the intake valve, going up through the intake. You can see the serious damage here to the valve seat. So most likely going to have to pull this cylinder head off and either send it to the machine shop and have new seats put in, or it might be more cost effective just to replace the cylinder head on this one. Also, while driving in this vehicle in the shop, we did notice a tick noise, and tick noise was coming from that left bank. Dodge has issues with lifters and camshaft failure, so it's going to be the perfect opportunity while we have the cylinder head off is to inspect the lifters, and we'll pull a lifter out and inspect the camshaft. We'll most likely use our borescope again to get down through the lifter bore and check the lobes on them. They are known to ground off when you have lifter issues on these Chrysler products. In some upcoming videos, I will show you guys what the lifters look like when they fail and what it does to the camshaft, how it deteriorates and grinds down the camshaft lobes. Got some examples for the 5.7 and the 6.4 Hemis, so just pay attention to when I'll put up those videos, guys, and just make sure that you like and subscribe, and when those new videos come out, you'll be the first to know. Thank you.